Okay, let's write this down. So A1, we're doing number 4 now, is minus 1/6. And then let's take a look at this. I'm going to start counting. And we need to insert 4 of them in between there. So that would be A6 then. And what do you get over here? A6 is 512 over 729. All right? So what am I going to write down now is I'm going to write down that formula that I know for the relationship. And that's going to be A6, which is 512 over 729. And that equals minus 1/6 times, now let's take a look at this. It's going to be R5, right? So what do you go over there? I'll write it down. You're going to get minus 512 times 6 over 729. And that equals R to the 5th power. Now certainly I need to simplify the number, and part of that is just realizing that I have no other way of doing this if I can simplify it. And I'm going to say 3 goes into 729. And what do you get there? 2. And let's see, 2 would give you 6. And then what do you get? 1, 2, which is 4. Then you get a 9, which is 3. So that's going to be 243. And the top number, again, I cancel the 3 off as 2, is minus 1024. And that equals R to the 5. All right? Now, again, I'm looking at it, and you should have some sense of the numbers over here. And I'm going to say the bottom number is 3 to the 5th power. All right? And the top number, I'm going to say, is minus 4 to the 5th power. So what's R? Well, it's pretty simple. R is going to be equal to minus 4/5. I'm sorry, minus 4/3. Okay, so, I wrote things down, and now I'm going to go about the business of doing some arithmetic to get those insertions. And let me erase this over here as my baby work. And we're just working through the problem set. That's all we're doing. All right, now, again, some people say, can you verify the R? Well, I have it written over here, but we did the work. We got that. All right, and now it's a pain. I realize that, but part of the pain is actually just in doing it. So, minus 4/3 times minus 1/6. Well, that's just 4/3 times 1/6. All right, I'm just going to check one at a time, by the way. What's that going to give me? That's going to give me 2/9. That's right over here. All right, we got the minus 1/6 in the beginning. So now what do you do? Well, that's done. You're going to take the 2/9 and you're going to multiply that by minus 4/3. Well, that's not bad. That's going to give you minus 8 over 27. I see that right there. Let's do the next one. Well, that's going to be minus 8/27 times minus 4/3. Well, that's not bad. That's going to be 32 over 81. I see that right over there. All right. Let's do the next one. It's 32 over 81 times minus 4/3. What's that going to give you? Well, let's see, a negative number, 243 in the bottom. That's not so bad. And 4 times 32 is going to be 128. I see that right over there. What's the next number going to be? Minus 128. I like to check, by the way, 243. It better land than the number I expected to land on. And that's minus 4/3. What do you get over there? Well, 3, that's 600. I'm just in the bottom. 600, 729. That worked out beautifully. Whoops. 729 worked out beautifully. And the top, let's see, 400, 480, and then 32, 512. All right? 512. Things are working out as advertised. Thank you.